So as we are moving ahead on the Road Trip United 2025 Season 4, today we are leaving from Bhubaneswar and moving ahead to the further cities, and the next festival that we are going to have, the xBhp festival, is in Bangalore. The overall experience with the TVS Apache RR 310 so far on the ride is unparalleled, because it has been doing the speeds, the corners, the traffic maneuvering like a piece of cake.
So we are en route Vizag today. Right now we are especially talking about this beautiful machine which is going around India on Road Trip United for the third time.
Absolutely.
No problem at all. This is reliability, this is performance. Apache has changed the landscape of Indian motorcycling. Ever since it was launched in 2005, I mean, they have been doing innovations like ABS, first time in any Indian motorcycle. And then I'm just coming from Egypt, you know, after riding the RTR series over there. And there are more countries in Africa that needs to be done on the Apache. Apache has really, you know, brought out a lot of motorcyclists. It's become a household name. And this Sunday, we are going to have a xBhp festival in Bengaluru at
Miku Kartopia.
This is the Chilka Lake, which is one of the world's largest backwater lagoons, and I think the largest in Asia. And it's actually part of Chilka Lake. It's 1,000 square kilometers, and we are en route Vizag today, and tomorrow Rajamundry, and then this Sunday Bangalore. And this here is a welcome surprise with these hills. It's beautiful waters. Most importantly, clean, breathable air, you know, which is the most priceless I have felt being a Delhiite. And of course, we can't see too many new places because it's all about meeting people on Road Trip United. And still, we are more than, I think, halfway left, and let's see what happens. But one thing for sure, it's getting hotter and hotter. But despite it being so hot, the bikes are performing really well. You know, the ZX10R, it's almost all the time on the highway, being revved within traffic and stuff like that. Still, Castrol Power One is taking care of it. And not only the bikes, Castrol Edge is doing its job in the BMW M340i. And yes, we're enjoying, we're having a nice time, and we can't wait to meet more people.
So today we are going to start from Vijayawada and going towards Chennai. Tomorrow we have a meetup in Chennai, and looking forward to meet all the amazing bikers. And that is the best part about road tripping. When you are on a road trip, you get to meet people, bikers, bikes in different cities as you move forward. The bikes that we are riding, Apache RR 310 and the ZX10R, the bikes are performing amazingly well. If I talk about the RR 310, it is like a pocket rocket. It is not even heating up. All thanks goes to the Castrol, who is also the title partner for this entire road trip. Shot with Eurogrip tires. The grip on the roads is amazing. So let's do one thing. Let's move forward towards Chennai.
This is en route to Sriharikota, which is one of India's 2 satellite launch centers. And this place here is the Pulicat Lake. So essentially, this is the second largest brackish water lake in India, one of the largest in Asia. Actually, also a bird sanctuary and heaven for people who want to spot birds. For us, it is also heaven because the breeze, it is so pure, and the wind. I mean, This is one of the highlights of all of our India rides, especially visiting Sriharikota is an out of the world experience, if I may say. That has enabled India to do so many wonders at a global stage and a planetary stage, I might add. And yes, with our rockets over here, it really makes sense that we pay a visit over there. This road is just icing on the cake with water on the both sides, and it's just beautiful. Well, we are here at the Auto Mall, and behind me is the Bikers Den. There are a lot of bikers here already because it's pretty early, it's a weekday, everyone has to go to office, but still they are here, and which is pretty amazing. It shows how much they love us and how much motorcycling still means to them.
Welcome to xBhp Road Trip United 25.
Yes, there is more coming to it. That's not it. So, first of all, good morning, Chennai. Good morning. Awesome. My name is Manan, also known as Shutter-Vedi. I am representing here the team xBhp, that we are on the Road Trip United 2025, powered by Castrol, and we are riding short on Eurogrip tires and all the other amazing supporting partners that we have. Each one of you who have made it in the morning, it shows that you guys love us, and that is the reason why you're here. Yeah. And the first time I came to Chennai on a motorcycle, it was 2006. Let me just make it more interesting. We have a lot of giveaways here. Do we have giveaways from Castrol?
Yes, we have.
We have. The name of the oil which goes into sports cars from Castrol. It is Edge, Castrol Edge, basically, which goes into sports cars. Guys, and he's been around with xBhp since a long time.
People know me, the old xBhp guys know me as Discover Karthik and Ninja Karthik.
Still today we have xbhp.com forums, but thank you so much, And over there you have to go and register, you have to take your time to type in queries, people will respond, it will stay forever over there, you can search. That was a time when people had a longer attention span. Today you want to see reels. But yeah, that was the start of the digital era.
This is my first time I'm taking part in this event. Many new riders, so it's kind of really good event.
We are going to vote who's the best dressed biker. Raise your hands for him.
So I started my ride like around Dominar 400, which I bought around Diwali.
So he gets a helmet from Axor. How did you come to know about xBhp?
இப்போதான் நம்மளாம் ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் போட்டுக்கிறோம். ஆனால் அப்போல்லாம் நம்ம எவ்வளோ ரைட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த ரைடோட ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப்ஸும் அதோடைய டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து ஃபோரம் xBhp ஃபோரம்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். எத்தனை பேர் ஃபோரம் பார்த்துருக்கீங்க? ஓகே, ஸோ இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் ஃபோரமை போய் பார்க்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நிறைய டாபிக்ஸ் இருக்கும், அதில் நம்ம நிறைய பைக்ஸை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம், நிறைய டூ இட் யுவர் செல்ஃப்லாம் கற்றுக்கலாம். I was with you 2 years. I worked with all these guys. In fact, last year Road Trip United இவங்களோட ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ரைட் பண்ணேன். This relationship is keep on going. That is what biking community is. That is what brotherhood is.
Crazy to see this event like happening here. This is my first time visit here. So got a great chance to network with these people and know about the new bikes and new launches and new products coming into market.
So guys, some rap and burnout. It's okay? Okay, so a lot of thumbs up are coming over there. Okay, let's do this.
She got a hot top, hit that drop top. I'm at a coochie pop.
And we have the gods of Tyre here. Who are there? Eurogrip, and they make 190 section, making superbike tires
and making tires for motorcycles which are lower capacity.
Yes.
What is the main challenge?
It's total different technology. I can say instead of challenge, we are catering all segments.
Okay.
And we are from the manufacturing of bike company, so we are manufacturing tires also. So it's giving more, we know more about tires, what the bike requires, what riders require.
So we have this small gesture with which we would like to thank all the biking clubs who are present here.
Myself, Jyoti. When I joined the motorcycling, I felt like, am I the only one? That was the question in my head, because somewhere at the corner of my head, I was looking like, can I find some more women around?
I the biker! I the biker! I the biker! Woo! Awesome guys, awesome.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாரும் மீட் பண்ணது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. XBhp டீமை மீட் பண்ணது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அவங்களோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இங்கே வந்திருந்தோம், வேறு லெவலாக இருந்தது. நியூ பீப்புள்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் மீட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம், வேறு லெவல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக இருந்தது.
This is 200 week.
Yes.
And you've decked up like this. So you've done any long rides? I mean, I know, but
I rode Tamil Nadu all round.
Okay.
I finished.
Okay.
Apache fully modified like not a cruiser.
Yes.
I want to modify like a touring bike.
Yes,
So
so-
I choose and modified like.
So power is good enough?
Yes.
But yeah, this is looking really cool, and I'm sure
Yeah.
it's functional also.
Yes.
Do you have to say anything about today's meet?
It was fantastic. After a year, we were last year at the same location, and now meeting all the bikers in Chennai, especially the community, the biggest community in India. XBhp is coming here in Chennai to meet all the bikers. It's a fantastic feeling actually, always.
We are done here with the meetup in Chennai. It was amazing. A lot of energy. You know, these smaller meetups are more intimate, like I said, like the one in Bhubaneswar. And now the heat is starting to build up. But now we have to go to Bengaluru. So let's go over there, because on Sunday we have the big xBhp festival over there.
Road Trip United has been powered by Castrol, who have not only kept our machines safe, but also empowered an entire generation of bikers. Eurogrip tires gave us a wide range of options for tires for our motorcycles, from the Ninja ZX-10R to the incredible new and updated TVS Apache RR310. The core team riders were protected with RYNOX riding gear, who also provided us with luggage solutions. A special mention for BMC air filters, BluArmor, Red FM, Acer laptops, Axor, Red Bull, and many more for their support, as well as to our hotel partners who ensured our stays were nothing short of fantastic in various cities. Last but not the least, a huge thanks to the incredible number of riders and communities who made this road trip truly united. Ride safe, ride united.